Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to translate video project text using FlexClip's AI Translator. On the editing page, click the AI Tools button and select AI Translator. Choose Translate Project Text. Here, select your target language. Next, choose whether to translate the current project or duplicate the project and translate the new version. This allows you to keep both language versions if needed. Then, select the content you want to translate. You can choose to translate all scenes or only specific scenes. If your project includes subtitles, you can also choose to translate them. Once everything is set, click Translate. In just a few seconds, you'll get a new language version of your video project. Preview the result and adjust the text if needed to fit the layout. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.